What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to publish an app using Google AI Studio on Google Play Store. So firstly, you need to create a Google Play developer account. Go to play.google.com/console and choose personal account. You also have to pay a one-time fee of $25 and the approval can take up to 24 hours. Now, if your AI app includes in-app purchases, subscriptions, paid downloads, then go to Play Console, then Setup. Click Payments Profile and then Create Payment Profile. Now, open all apps and then click Create App. Enter default language, app title, app or game, free or paid, category and contact mail, and then accept the developer program policies. And then click Create App. Now, after creating your app, you'll land on the dashboard. Your AI app must clearly explain what data it collects, how data is used, if AI processes user input, and if your AI app interacts with user prompts and uploaded images, generated text or analytics tool, you must clearly disclose this. Now, you must declare what user data is collected and whether data is encrypted and whether data is shared. AI apps often collect device info, user input, and usage analytics. Be honest, incorrect declarations can cause removal. Now select age group and then declare whether your app contains ads or uses third-party ad networks. You must answer if your app is news app, government app, financial app, or COVID-related app. Answer truthfully. Now select the most accurate category like productivity, tools, education, AI assistant, etc. Then choose relevant tags that describe AI chat, image generator, writing assistance, or productivity tool. Tags help with search ranking. Now this is where most apps fail. You must create app name that includes important keywords, short description, and includes what your AI does, key features, who's it for, security, assurance, and keywords naturally inserted. Also, ASO helps your app rank higher in Play Store search, focus on long-tail keywords, search suggestions, comparator research, clearer screenshots, and demo video. Now, you must upload app icon, feature graphic, screenshots, and optional promo video. Create closed testing and add at least 20 testers. Run for 14 days, fix issues, and then request production access. Now from your AI Studio project, export your Android app, bundle, and go to Release, then Production. Upload your AAB file and add release notes, reviews, and submit, and then Google Review will take few hours to several days. And that's it guys, your app will be published on the Google Play Store. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.